welcome back to the South Auto. I'm Dan. This is my 92 Talon TSI all-wheel drive. Today we're gonna wash the Talon because it's dirty. Okay, so now I'll show you how dirty it is before we get into the washing. Okay, so that's how dirty it is. Now we're going to fill up our wash bucket. I'm using a 1 bucket method because I do not have 2 buckets. And this is a disclaimer in case I didn't already disclaim. I'm not a professional detailer. This is just Dan washing his car in the driveway. So what I like to do first is just take the hose here. I don't have a fancy power washer or anything, so I use the bucket and garden hose method. And we get the whole car. We wet down the caulk. First we're going to start with the wheels and tires. So I just have some super clean degreaser because I don't have any fancy wheel or tire cleaner. So we're just going to spray it around the wheels and tires. Just like that. Let it soak in for a minute. And I've just got a microfiber that I'm going to scrub with because I don't have. Gonna wet it with some water, and then we'll clean it. I don't have a fancy brush or anything. I'm just using my finger to kind of get in the lug nuts there. Probably should have a nice brush or something. I don't, so do the best we can with what we got. Let's go do this to the tires. Gonna wipe off anything that we can get. That's pretty dirty, huh? And then those are off. And that is a clean wheel. Clean wheel right there. I'm going to go ahead and do the other ones too. So the wheels and tires are clean. I'm going to spray a little bit of super clean here on the exhaust tips. Loosen up any kind of carbon deposits that are on there. And then what I like to do is with my wash mitt, take a little bit of car wash. This is Armor All Wash and Wax, pretty standard run-of-the-mill stuff. And I like to get my mitt, get some good wash into the mitt, and I probably do way too much, but we can start washing the car. Now we rinse, and I'm going to start with this side because, well, it's already started to dry because of this side. Okay, so she's clean. What I like to do for drying is I like to use this one-pass water blade, just a big squeegee, try and get most of the water off before we towel it. So let's do that. minutes left. We got a big microfiber towel we're going to finish drying her off with. Okay, now that we're dry, we have one final step of applying tire shine using chemical guys, something or other. This is the most important part of the process to get that final look to a clean vehicle. I like to use way too much. There you have it. I'll do the rest of the wheels and we'll be all finished. Okay, so that'll do it for this episode of Detail Geek. We have a clean Eagle Talon. Thank you for watching. Be sure to tune in next time for some more Eagle Talon content, and we'll catch you next time. Be sure to tune in next time for some more Eagle Foot Cramp now. Friggin' serious? Just friggin' fall down in the middle while I'm cleaning the friggin' tire. Unbelievable. Today we're gonna wash the Talon because it's dirty. Oh, I kind of fell a little bit. Come on, Gabe. I'm gonna wash my car and make a YouTube about it. Oh, hi, Claire. Oh, and Millie. Oh. 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 All you have to do is stay standing. It's your one job as the camera. Okay? Can you not do that, please? Can you just stand up? So that's what we're gonna wash it. Probably do way too much, but you know what? This is my video and it's my car wash. It's my car, so I use as much Armor All stuff as I want, and then